What's this?
AJ's vlog.
AJ's vlog.
You're now a part of it.
AJ's vlog. Look at the camera though. Look at the
Shout out
camera.
your Instagram, bro.
Alright, show my Instagram.
Yeah.
What's my Instagram? Info_.
It's too late.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Mama. Who do you love?
What about daddy?
Mama.
What about daddy?
Down to Croydon to train young man Patti, who's one of my students. I haven't trained him in a while, not seriously or consistently for a minute, but he wants to do a lot more competitions this year, so hopefully we'll get him on the competitions and you know, try to win some battles ultimately. But we got to do some hard, serious, consistent training this year, so hopefully I'll get to show you guys some of our practice, not everything but some. 2 minutes. The train's fashionably late as usual. Typical London. This one at least is here now. I finally made it down to Croydon despite all of the cancellations and delays. Now I'm heading over towards Patti's house to get the bus. British public transport, eh? The bus. I'm running for the bus. Made it. How you doing, driver? You right? Thank you. Made it.
Hello.
Hello.
You finally, what the hell is that?
Vlogging. How you doing? How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Happy New Year.
Wow.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's alright.
Oh wow.
I'm now here with Patti. We haven't trained together in a long time, but we're starting. It's the new year. We're going to start afresh, and we're going to try and get you entering some more competitions, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. What do you want to train today? I mean, I've got my plan of what I know that I'm going to get you to train, but what would you like to train? Combos?
And,
any in particular?
Power moves.
Power moves and combos. It's kind of cool. Like I kind of had planned a similar thing, but with some conditioning as well. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. 2018. Let's go.
There goes a sight. There goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. There goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
30 minutes left. 15 minutes of just practicing, jamming, going back and forth, and we'll do conditioning afterwards.
No, it gives
Got
me
that on
down.
camera.
No, it's not live though, is it?
It's not live, but I'm putting that in the video.
No, you're not. I'm not farting in the video.
Yes, you are. One, two, three, four. Ah. And again. That's it. Control it. Control it. Ready? Stay strong. Stay strong. Stay strong. Push.
But like that.
Actually push. How's that? Good. Well done. Don't touch the floor. Don't touch the floor.
Oh my stomach.
Don't touch the floor. Don't touch the floor. And reverse. Other way. Come on. One more. What do you think is going to be the most beneficial part?
Conditioning.
The conditioning. So you're going to do it tomorrow?
Yeah.
You're going to do it before training or after?
After training.
After. You could do some in the morning if you wanted to. Handstands as well. Handstands against the wall or the door. That would be pretty good. Because if you want to start doing aerial stuff, you need to have a good handstand. I think it's about time. Because you like going upside down. What was your favourite combo that you did today? Check your book, yeah.
The knee drop to freeze one.
Knee drop to freeze.
Yeah.
It's easy, but it's still effective, right?
Mhm. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
You should-
One more. Ah, what was that? A bit more power in your hand. Your hand's like a fairy. What's this? What's this?
I'm working.
Again. Yeah, there you go. Spartan handshake.
Spartan doesn't do that.
Oh, yeah, they do. So all in all, it was a good training session with Patti. First one back, so we've got some work to do, some conditioning to do with him. But yeah, now because of the late arrival of the train, me getting to Patti's, I'm now leaving late, so I'm now late to go and visit crew member Manny. But yeah, I'll get there shortly. I spend my life on trains, literally, London life. So I finally made it to Waterloo, just outside the Royal Festival Hall. I'm gonna go meet Manny. I don't really have much time to train because it's already, I've got less than 30 minutes to train. So I'll try and be as productive as possible. And yeah, and then hang out with Manny afterwards.
What's catching on? That's time we actually found breaks. Nowadays people don't find them.
Whoa,
good?
alright.
This guy up, brother.
Hello.
You alright?
Hello.
What's this?
Here with the brother Manny, catching up at after the new year. Yeah. That's right by the London Eye, across from Big Ben. Gonna go grab a drink and yeah, catch up. Right, I am now here with Patti, and